Hey, what's up, Tech Fam? Welcome back to TriTech AB, where we bring you the latest and coolest gadgets. Today, I'm super pumped because we're diving deep into the brand new Infinix Zero 40. This phone has some jaw-dropping features, and we're here to find out if it lives up to the hype. Ready? Let's go! Now, let's talk about the display. Wow! The Infinix Zero 40 sports a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 1 billion colors and a 144 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or just scrolling through your feed, the colors pop like crazy, and it's super smooth. Plus, it's HDR capable, and with a brightness of 1300 nits, it's perfect even in bright sunlight. It's got Corning Gorilla Glass 5, so you don't have to worry about minor drops or scratches. And let's not forget, it supports an always-on display, quick peeks at your notifications without unlocking, super convenient. One of the standout features of the Infinix Zero 40 is its curved AMOLED display, and it looks stunning. The curves on both sides not only give the phone a sleek, premium feel, but they also enhance your viewing experience. It really makes the content flow smoothly across the screen, making everything from videos to games super immersive. But it's not just about looks. This display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which adds a solid layer of durability. So, while it's beautiful to look at, you don't have to worry too much about scratches from everyday use or minor drops. The glass can handle its share of wear and tear, keeping the display looking crisp and pristine. And let's not forget how the curved edges blend into the slim design, making the phone feel incredibly smooth and comfortable in the hand. It's the perfect mix of style and durability. Now, let's dive into the camera setup, and this is where the Infinix Zero 40 really shines, especially for all the vloggers and content creators out there. The main highlight is the 108-megapixel main camera with OIS, optical image stabilization, which means your shots will be super sharp and stable, even if your hands aren't perfectly steady. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or low-light conditions, this camera performs brilliantly, capturing incredible detail and color accuracy. Next up, we've got the 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, which is a game-changer for capturing those wide, sweeping shots, perfect for vloggers recording scenic travel videos or group shots. You won't have to worry about cutting anyone or anything out of the frame. And for all you portrait lovers, the 2-megapixel depth sensor really nails those beautiful blurred backgrounds, giving your photos that professional bokeh effect. But here's where it gets even better for video enthusiasts. The Infinix Zero 40 shoots 4K video at 30/60 fps, and it's packed with both gyro EIS, electronic image stabilization, and OIS, so your footage is going to be smooth and steady, even if you're recording while walking or moving. This makes it an awesome choice for vloggers on the go, giving you that cinematic feel without the need for extra stabilizing equipment. Now, for all the selfie lovers and vloggers who like to shoot with the front camera, you're going to love this. The 50MP front camera comes with a wide-angle lens and dual LED flash, which means your selfies will look amazing, even in low light or tricky conditions. The wide-angle lens ensures you get more in the frame, perfect for vlogging, and guess what? You can even record in 4K at 30/60 fps with the front camera. This is a huge win for vloggers who want top-tier video quality from both the rear and front cameras. This revised section not only highlights the Infinix Zero 40's impressive camera capabilities, but also emphasizes how it's an ideal device for vloggers and content creators looking to produce professional quality content directly from their phone. All right, performance junkies, this one's for you. The Infinix Zero 40 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate chipset, built on a 4 nanometers process. This means it's fast, efficient, and perfect for handling anything you throw at it. With an octa-core CPU and the Mali G610 GPU, gaming on this phone is a blast. No stutters, no lag, just smooth, high-performance gaming. Plus, with 12 GB of RAM and either 256 GB or 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, multitasking is a breeze. You can switch between apps, games, and everything else with no problem at all. The phone runs on Android 14 with XOS 14.5 on top, which gives you a lot of customization options and a clean, smooth interface. And the best part? Infinix promises up to 2 major Android upgrades for this device, so it's future-proof. Flagship, AI voice assistant. Flagship is your smart voice assistant designed to make daily tasks easier. It can help you set reminders, make calls, adjust settings, and even open apps, all with simple voice commands. It learns your preferences over time, becoming more personalized and intuitive the more you use it. Magic Eraser. This AI-powered photo editing tool allows you to remove unwanted objects or people from your photos with just a few taps. Whether it's a distracting background item or a random photo bomber, Magic Eraser seamlessly erases it and blends the background for a clean, professional look. Let's talk about battery life, which is a major win for the Infinix ZERO 40. This phone is powered by a 5000 mAh battery, and that's more than enough to get you through a full day of heavy use. And when you do need to charge it up, the 45-watt fast charging really comes in clutch. You can go from 0% to 60% in just 25 minutes. Imagine, you plug it in, grab a quick snack, and you're already good to go again. This fast charging is a lifesaver when you're in a hurry, whether you're heading out the door or just need a quick top-up before bed. But that's not all. The Infinix ZERO 40 also supports 20-watt wireless charging, which means you can just drop it on a wireless charging pad and get rid of the hassle of cables. This is especially convenient for people who want a clean, wire-free setup at home or the office. And for the gamers or power users out there, Bypass Charging 2.0 is another cool feature you'll love. When you're charging and gaming at the same time, this technology ensures that the power goes directly to your phone's system, bypassing the battery. This helps prevent your phone from overheating, which is a common issue with heavy apps and games during charging. So, is the Infinix ZERO 40 worth it? Absolutely. With its gorgeous display, power-packed performance, amazing cameras, and fast charging, this phone checks all the boxes. For around 360 EUR, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. If you're in the market for a phone that offers premium features without breaking the bank, the Infinix ZERO 40 is a solid contender. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another awesome review here on TriTech AB. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.